Well, I was approached by my insurance company letting me know that they had seen cracks that were around the pool deck that they thought perhaps would be cause for water to seep through and perhaps then create further cracking or something that would create instability. Made a couple of contacts with some folks about kind of putting a Band-Aid on the project. The ones that I spoke to that were a little bit more forthright, highly suggested that we do a leveling job, and an LRE came highly recommended by several people. From the beginning, it was just a very comfortable conversation that I had with them. I had anticipated that it was going to have a lot of pressured sales involved with it, and that was not to be the case. Very comfortable with Judd when he came out and shared. He himself was just amazing. He was thorough in his explanations and helping me to understand, went well above and beyond absolutely anything that I was expecting. And long term, then to actually do it better than what they are asking and make it so that it created a better resale value for the home as well. And it came out beautiful. I'm looking forward to getting the paint on. And so I was doing a happy dance, doing the homework. There are companies that will come out and offer you something that is just kind of a quick fix, but it's not going to do the job right for you. LRE, they can fix it right. 5 stars for sure, and but we're just very satisfied. Thank you.